General! General! It's here! It's arrived! General!
Yeah? Lieutenant, what is it?
General, I think it's the tent. The tent you ordered for the Mars Hydro Grow.
LED light China. Yeah, I think this is the tent. I do believe this is the TopoLite tent that we did order for that Mars Hydro Grow. How about we go unbox it and see what's inside? That sounds like a great idea, sir. Okay guys, I have the box here right under the Christmas tree, and we'll go ahead and crack this baby open and let's see what's inside. I'm just going to use a key here, a blunt object, because as it says, don't use a box cutter. And I wanted to crack the tape with you guys so you could see this baby being opened and know that I didn't do anything. It's just a fresh box. Okay, we got this tape cracked. Let's open this baby up and see what's inside. All right. Packed pretty nice in here. All tied up. The box has one tent inside of it, one drip catch. We have, oh, this is pretty nice. All of our poles are digitally engraved with their numbers on it. Really nice and packaged well into a plastic bag. And then we have our corners here, all of our corners. We have our crossbars here. I don't know how many of you guys out there have ever set up a tent, but we'll do a tent setup video as well so you guys can see the tent being built. This is simply the unboxing. As you can see, you got your cross beams, here's all your uprights and your bottom and your corners. We have a strap that can be used for a carbon filter, I believe. It has a thank you for purchasing in here. Shows you a little bit of the other stuff that they sell. So we'll take these poles out, see if anything else is inside. Nope, that's it. Pretty standard. So you got two cross beams, your bottoms, and then these would be your actual uprights right here. So, pretty simple. I'm not going to actually open the tent until the setup video. Pretty standard tent. And then what I'll show you here, I believe, is the instructions. It is grow tent assembly instructions. You open these up and it shows you the tent's setup and how the poles are supposed to sit together. Then it has a layout of what the tubes should be for the different tents, a 16 by 16, 20, 20, 24 by 24. This one happens to be the 32 by 32 by 63. So we will open this up and you will see really simple, no words really. The only words that it says is pull the grow tent outer canvas over the constructed framework. And it actually doesn't even say framework. It says framework because you gotta love China. So, real simple. It's the assembly instructions for all the tents, depending on what your tent may be. All the way up to a 120, 120, 80. So yes, again, this is the 32 by 32 by 63. So that's it, guys, for the unboxing of the TopoLite 32 by 32 by 63 grow tent. With that, I say, keep happy, stay stoned, and urban garden.